The Man and the Little Cat. One day, an old man was having a stroll in the forest when he suddenly saw a little cat stuck in a hole. The poor animal was struggling to get out. So he gave him his hand to get him out. But the cat scratched his hand with fear. The man pulled his hand, screaming with pain. But he did not stop. He tried to give a hand to the cat again and again. Another man was watching the scene, screamed with surprise. "For God's sakes, stop helping this cat. He's going to get himself out of there." The other man did not care about him. He just continued saving that animal until he finally succeeded. And then he walked to that man and said, "Son, it is cat's instincts that makes him scratch and to hurt. And it is my job to love and care." Moral: treat everyone around you with your ethics, not with theirs. Treat the people the way you want to be treated by them.